Hello guys, you're welcome back to StaadPro. Just like I promised in our last class that we're going to start a new project, which is a warehouse design. I already showed us the 3D model. So today we are going to start the model from scratch. So if you are just seeing this video for the first time, I will beg you to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, also hit the like button, and just comment, put up a nice comment. This is your only two way of encouraging me because the video you are watching is free of charge. You're not paying any dime for it. So I'm just giving you a free knowledge. So your own bit you will do for me is to subscribe, share the video with other people that are still in civil department or the practitioners, the young engineers that are already working. Then give me a thumbs up, just like the video because by liking the video, it sends a signal to YouTube that the content is good, so they can begin to or continue to recommend it to others. So just give me a thumbs up and just put up a comment. No matter how short the comment is. Okay, so let's dive into the business of today. We are going to model this StaadPro. So if you have been following me, I have a shortcut in my model. I normally use shortcuts in my model. I don't use a long procedure to do my model. So I normally use copy and paste node. So if you look at my right hand side, I have the coordinates x, y, z. So I've already I modeled this structure and I'm going to be doing the same thing just to show you. So this is the MS Word where I pasted the snapshot of the model. So we are going to be modeling exactly what is here. We have the width, that width is 9.65 meters, and we have the other side of it, from the distance from column to column is 5 meters each. So we're going to model this, and the height is 5 meters before the runway beam. Then we have another 1.5 meters to the rafter. So we're going to be modeling this. So I normally start from this node here as the origin, where x is 0, y is 0, and z is 0. And from there, I will begin to offset to get other nodes. So the first thing for me is to get this node now. So I'm going to go back to the StaadPro. And here, for me to get that node, I'll just type 0. Yeah, the node is already there, so I've established that point. So the next point I will have to establish is this second one, and that is moving from this point to this point, which is z coordinate, z direction. So I'm going to move I'm going to move to z direction by 9.65 meter. So I'll come here and I'll activate my node cursor and click on this node. I'll click on hold down the control key, press C, that's control C, and also press V and control V. So I will now, in the X direction, I have is positive X, so it's going to be positive. That's 9.5. I hope that's correct. 9.65. Okay, 9.65. So I'll click enter. So the second node has been established. Okay, the next thing is to get the height of the column just before the runway, at the runway. So we have 5 meters, so let's get that immediately. I'll select the two nodes, and I'll hold down the control key, control C, control V, copy paste. So I'm going to y direction, that's 5 meters. Okay, so now the next one is to the rafter. We have 1.5 to the rafter. So I will do the same. Select the two nodes, Control C, Control V, still y direction, positive direction. I will type 1.5. So that is that. So I can now join my columns. Join my columns. This is my column. Good. So now I will have to establish the rafter. I have to establish the rafter. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. So now at this point I'm going to show you how, because we need to demonstrate something to be able to get our our rafter angle correctly. So At the end of your model, if you are asked which angle is your rafter, if you're able to say it's 10 degrees or 15 degrees, yes, 10 degrees or 15 degrees, you should know the rafter degree you are using. And it also help you while you're calculating for your wind load. And there's what you call uplift load effect on purlins. So all these are what are going to be needing as parameters to get the point load that are acting in upward direction to the pole line. So we are going to AutoCAD now. We are going to use AutoCAD now to do a simple drafting to be able to establish our angle of inclination of the rafter before we can now come here to implement that. Okay, so let's demonstrate that quickly. So I will simply draw the columns. One of each of the columns we have 5 meter plus 1.5. That is 6,500. Okay, so this is the height of complete height of one column. So I will offset. Sorry, I will offset it by 9,650. That's the width. Sorry, 9,650. That's the width. That's the spacing between the two columns. That's 9,650. Okay, so the essence is to determine my the angle of my rafter. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to join these 2 points. So from here I'll start getting my angle. Let me try angle 15 first. But before I do that, let me check the direction how I'm going to count my distance. So okay, if you look at okay, let me just type. I want the length of this line I'm drawing now to be 10,000 millimeter. Then the angle, let me use 0 first. Okay, so 0 angle is vertical from this AutoCAD settings is vertical. So I'll start counting from that 0 to get my 15. So of course it goes clockwise. So for me to get 15 angle here, I'm going to add from here to here is 180 plus 90, 270, then plus 15. This 15 is going to give me 285. So let me draw the line. Okay, deactivate this. Then I will use 10. I'm using 10,000 to make the line long enough, so I'll have an intersection somewhere. So the angle is going to be 285 since it's going clockwise. Okay, okay. So let's verify. Let's dimension this to be sure we are doing the right thing. So this is angle 15 degrees. So that's good. And I will do the same for the other side. Since it's going clockwise, I will still use the same lines. The angle is going to be counting from 0 down to okay, I'll have 19 minus 15 is going to give me 75. 75. Okay, okay, so let's verify that be sure we are doing the right thing. So this is 15 degrees. So I also try 10 degrees so I can choose from any of the two. So I'll do the same thing for this one. 10,000 millimeter instead of 285, it will now be that's 270 plus 10, that's 280. 280. Okay, then I will do from the other side 10,000, and that one will be 19 minus 10, that's 80. Okay, so I need me I prefer a gentle slope in this kind of design, so I will use the angle 10 instead of you can choose 15 is left to you. You get, so this is angle 10 for me. So let me check, let me see what I have as maximum the distance, because this is the thing that I need actually. So this one is giving me 850. Okay, let me check that 15 degrees. Let me see what that one will give me. Assuming I'm using this, so what I have 1294. So me, I wouldn't like to make the roof go too high, make the structure go too high. That will expose it more for wind actions. So I would just use the gentle slope. This one that is 10, sorry, yeah, this one that is 10 degrees. Okay, so we have this going to be 850.8 approximately. So I'll go back to my StaadPro. Okay, so this is what I have. So I'll join these two nodes. I can remove it later. Then I'll insert node at the middle. Insert me at the middle. Okay, then I'll set this by that value. I'll set this to the 0.85 point. Sorry, 858. I hope that's correct. 8508. Okay, 8508. 8508. That's good. So say okay. That's the vertical. So I'll now put my rafter. My rafters are coming this way and that way. What I have. Okay, this is what I have. So I can delete this. So I have this model this way. Okay, so the next thing I will simply do is to create more nodes along this line to be able to have my pollens. So what do I do? I'll begin to create nodes to get my pollens. I want my pollens to be spaced at 900. So let me get my node numbers that will help me to insert some nodes. So this is why I'm doing this is when I use the translational repeat, I will be able to just put my this thing, my pollens at once, so I don't have to do a repeated action or take a longer part in doing this model. So at this point, I will still urge you to subscribe to my channel, like my content, share this video with your friends, with your colleagues in the office. Yeah. Okay, so let's dive into it. I also have StaadPro training course. I have a training course, very affordable. I also put down in the link. Just go to the link below and you get it. You get subscribed. It's very cheap. I'm doing a promo on that. It's very cheap. I brought the price down low. So it's very affordable. Okay, let's proceed. So I'm going to be starting node here. Okay, so insert node from 0.5 to 8. So okay, I would love to have a 300 mm from node 8. 200 mm from node 8. So what I will do is I will insert a node at distance 4 point minus 300 from 800. You have 5. So I will do 59944. Insert new point. That's what I want. Okay, so subsequently I can now be doing 900. I'm doing 900. So Okay, so what I will do now is 4.59944 minus 0.9 is equal to 3.69944. So it's 3.69944 and new point. It's okay. Do the same again. And so still minus 900 from here, minus 0.9, we have 3.79944, 2.79944 points. Okay, I start another node minus 0.9 and 1.89944, 1.89944, add new node. It's okay. We'll continue to add. Okay, I'll do again my calculator minus 0.9 is now 0.9944, 0.999, sorry, 0.34944, and okay, I'll go again. That one is having much gap. It's okay. I can do 750, 0.75 with turning point. No. Start node. Okay. So can do 0.3. So we have about 6 something from the other side. Okay, 8 point, good. Is what I want. So I'll do the same thing here. In fact, this one will be easier. This one node 8 to 6. So of course the first one we did was 300 points. Then we'll continue with 900.9. Continue with 0.9, 0.9, 0.9, 0.9. So this last one, I will subtract 300 from this value, so that I get exactly the same thing from the other side. 0.37 minus 0.3. So I have 0.699437. 0.699437. Okay, so this is it. I've gotten my polling positions. So what I will now do is translational repeat. That's where I'm going to utilize the shortcut. So I'm going to get the remaining stanchions and rafters. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 levels at 25 meters. So go back, I'll click on translation and repeat. All these are well treated in my tutorial class, in my training class. So if you are still struggling with StaadPro, you can just subscribe to that and get your knowledge fixed. So this translational repeat is going in X direction, of course. So I will have number of steps is 4. Yes, I have 4 spans at 5 meters. Is correct. So I don't want to link steps, so I'll say okay. That's wonderful. So the remaining thing for me here now is to simply okay, I can even link steps, okay, and delete what I don't need. I can link steps and delete what I don't need. Instead of okay, let me do that because I have plenty things to link if I don't do that. So let me go back again. You have 4 spans. That's 5 meters. Then link steps here. But I have to delete some. Good. So this is what it is. So I will delete this. So I will delete all these ones that I do not need. Okay, I need this one. Let me delete it. So this ones I'm going to delete them. Okay. 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 So delete them. Just hit on delete them. Okay, this is it. This is it. I will simply get the purlin distance. I still need to delete this center one. This one at the middle here. I don't need it. I don't need this member here. I'll delete this. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Our structure is taking shape. So I will now add if distance for my purlins. I will let me hide first of all. Let me hide my node number so that it will not look clumsy. Good. So this is what I have. So I will use this one as my runway beam. So I'm going to modify it later. Okay, it cannot be my runway beam, or it can be my cladding. Yeah, part of my cladding. So I will need it. So let me do let me select node and get my if distance for the. Of course, we have if distance in that for the projected. So let me do the same thing here. Okay, for my purlin. Okay, select these nodes for my blinds. Okay. So Control C, Control V. This one is going in negative X direction. So I'm going to do 0.3. 300 is fine for me. Oh, that's good. So I can join them. I can join them from here to here. Sorry, that is not correct. You have to be very careful so that you don't join wrong nodes together. So what just happened now is a big error. So this is supposed to be from here, not from there. Okay, so that's good. That's good. So our model is taking shape. We are almost done with the model. We are almost done. Okay, that's that for this side. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. We'll select the nodes for the purlins. Okay. Control C, Control V. So okay, now guess which direction am I offsetting this to? Just put down in the comment section which direction is supposed to go. Is it Z direction, or Y direction, or X direction? Just ask yourself, answer yourself before I perform that action now. which direction, which direction, which direction. So it is positive x direction. I hope you got that. 0 0.3, 0 0.3, good, positive x direction. And the beauty part of it is that if you're not getting it correctly, you of course it will show to show you that you are not getting the correct thing, you're not doing the correct thing. So simply join. Okay. So that's good, that's good. So I think this is okay. Now you can do your own model, take your time, go through this video over and over again and do your own model. Okay, so next class we are going to continue this model. We are going to keep adding members and other things we need to add. We have not even added properties, member properties for my purlins, my columns, my rafters. We have not added our runway beams. We are just starting. So, like I told you, we are going to finish this design in this channel. So stay tuned. If you are just seeing me for the first time, please subscribe. I have a lot of things, and in no distant time, I'm going to be rolling out whole lot of things, because this channel is going to be a knowledge hub where you come and learn a whole lot of things. You come and learn skills. So I've had a lot of StaadPro videos. I'm preparing Primavera courses. I'm going to be posting some few Primavera courses here. I'm going to also be uploading some Excel, because I've received a lot of requests that some persons don't know how to generate templates. Some people find it difficult to navigate through Excel sheets, which is very much powerful for everybody, not only engineers. So I'm going to start bringing in some Excel classes here, so to help some people who don't have knowledge of that, and to also give you some advanced knowledge, some certain things you can use Excel to do. Excel is a very powerful tool. So stay tuned. This channel, you must have something that you will learn. There's something for everybody. There's something for everybody. Share my content, give me a thumbs up. If you have learned anything today, don't just watch my video and pass and beg. Just give me a thumbs up. Like this content, comment, give me a positive comment, and share my video. Thank you very much. See you in our next class. I'm going to be more consistent this week. I know I've been very busy, and I'm sorry for that. I've not been consistent in my posting. I've been posting once in a month or something, but now I'm going to be more consistent. I'm going to be giving more attention to this course. Thank you very much for being my fan. You guys are the main reason why I'm here. Continue to cheer me up, continue to encourage me, and I will continue to do my best. Thank you very much. See you in next class.